Welcome to this guide on creating a BitLocker policy using Endpoint Central. Before starting, ensure all prerequisites for BitLocker encryption are met. In the Endpoint Central console, navigate to the BitLocker Management module. Under the Policy Creation tab, click Create Policy and provide a name and optional description. Toggle the Drive Encryption option to enable encryption or initiate decryption during deployment. For devices with a Trusted Platform Module (TPM), select an authentication method, TPM only, requiring no user input, TPM and PIN, requiring a PIN at startup, or TPM and enhanced PIN for added security. Devices without TPM require a passphrase at boot. You can enforce immediate password creation or allow postponement unless using TPM-only authentication and protection off. Decide on the encryption scope: OS drive only for system data, used space only for faster processing, or full drive encryption by disabling these options. Windows 10 and later support these AES-128, AES-256, XTS-AES-128, and XTS-AES-256, while older systems support AES-128 and AES-256. Stronger algorithms enhance security but may impact performance. In advanced settings, configure recovery key updates to the domain controller and set periodic key rotations for added security. Save your policy as a draft or publish it directly. The policy will then be ready for deployment. That's it. You've successfully created a BitLocker policy using Endpoint Central. For deployment, refer to the BitLocker Policy Deployment video. Thanks for watching.